Headaches today?
Oh, yes, terrible. I had to take medication both today and yesterday.
That's not good.
Yeah. So it's pretty...
Tender right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Right up top there too. Okay, I'm excited. You ready? On your back, Rhea.
Oh, God, here we go.
Come on, a Sesame Street shirt. You should be loving this.
Oh, I know, right?
There we go. Who's gonna be good?
Oh,
There, yes, very good. Easy.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, oh shit.
That was so
Woo.
good. That's solid.
Oh, God.
Gotta release that tension.
Oh.
This is gonna be like
Oh,
there.
oh God. Woo.
Boom, that was like 1,000 over there.
Oh my God, I'm seeing stars.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Sesame Street stars.
Holy crap. I told you my neck was bad today.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh. It's turning easy.
Yeah, it is.
So much
Ooh.
lighter. Very nice. Cool. Awesome.
Whew.